How to share NFL Sunday ticket with family. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can share NFL Sunday ticket with your family. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So in order to share NFL Sunday ticket with your family, you have to follow these steps. Step 1. Sign in to your Google account and go to g.co/yourfamily. Step 2. Click Get Started and then create family group and confirm. Step 3. Type the email addresses or names of the family members you want to invite to your group. Step 4. You can also add family members later by going to g.co/yourfamily and clicking Send Invitations. Step 5. After creating the family group, you will become the family manager. Any subscriptions you have, including NFL Sunday Ticket, will be accessible to family members through their own accounts. Note: your library or watch history will not be shared with your family group. So that's how you can share NFL Sunday Ticket with your family. That's all for this video.